Hello you guys, good morning. I think this is gonna be a new vlog. I'm not sure, so I'm just gonna say it. Welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Kinicole. Returning, baby. I'm returning. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. It is currently Wednesday, September the 17th, and it is 9:50 a.m. So, I had a dentist appointment this morning. I had to get a cavity filled. Yeah, so my left side of my face is numb. It's AF. And right now I am currently on my way to work, and I'm running a little behind because I wanted to stop at Starbucks and give me a sandwich so that I can take my supplements. It is raining. It's a rainy morning. But yeah, I be getting the double smoked bacon sandwich with no bacon. So it's the next day. I am currently at my son's football game. I am running a little late, so yeah, but I'm here. Let's see what they do. I'll see y'all in a few. What time do the afternoons stop and what time do evenings start? Yeah, but anyway, it is Saturday, September the 20th, and I am on my way to get food with my sister and my nephew. My youngin did not want to come. He be so wrapped up in that game, but whatever. Yeah, so we are about to go to Crafty Crab to get us some seafood. Yeah, so, and then after we leave there, I might go slide somewhere else and get me some hookah or something. I don't know, but if I do, you know, y'all gonna come with me. I'm gonna bring y'all with me so that, you know, so y'all can vibe out with me. But yeah, I'm driving right now, so I'll pick y'all back up when I get to my destination. You said what, John?
We got some little margarita.
He's talking about little margarita.
A little bit of vodka mixed in it.
That's my nephew, y'all. This is my sister. That's his mother. Period. And we are at, what is it? Crafty Crab. Period.
Sure. I'm a fuck Percocet, but on my baby popping that Adderall. For sure. Way too rich to drive a road. Made $1 million on the stove. She like to put it in her nose. Pretty bitch with white toes. I done put it on all the bros. I done put it I done put up in a ghost. I done reached all my goals. Yeah, yeah, put up when Yeezy and dollar sign. I'm all about bracket like number 9. I don't want your whole.
Oh yeah, that corn don't look good. Let me see what it looks like. Give me some sugar. I am your neighbor. Hold up. She played too much. She playing in these folks' restaurants. Stop learn.
You know what to do.
You know what to do.
You know what to do.
Hey y'all, so me and my sister and my nephew, we just got done eating. They went back home because they had some stuff that they was doing earlier in the day, so they were kind of tired. But they went back home, but me, yeah, I'm gonna go find me some hookah to smoke. I'm going to smoke me some hookah. So, I'm gonna see if my brother's spot is open, which is halftime. It's in downtown Raleigh. So if y'all in the 9, make sure y'all go check them out. But yeah. So I'm gonna go over there to get me some hookah if they open. If they not, then I'm going home too. And I gotta go home. I need to go home and edit some vlogs anyway. I got like 4 vlogs I gotta edit. So if they're not open, then we're going to the house. Alright, I'll talk to y'all later. Oh, and they open, baby. They wide open. They is wide open, baby. I ain't got no clothes on though. It's okay, I'm just coming to get hookah. It's alright. Oh no, these people is dressed up. I don't like this. Oh, I'm gonna hit somebody's car. Okay, I'm gonna park over here because it say limited parking. Let's see if I can park over here. Booyah. Park right in the front. I'll park right in the front. Yeah, I really don't have no clothes on. I got on some leggings, my 12s, and a shirt, and like a graphic t-shirt. But guess what? I'm gonna go step in here though, because I want me some hookah. Period. If I gotta pay, I'm going home. So y'all, this was literally like a week and a half later. I'm sorry. But I went for a walk to start my morning. This was around the NC Art Museum. They have like little trails and they have like little architect like art pieces outside. It was so cute. You saw people in the hammocks, like they were picnicking outside. Like people were there walking their dogs. Like people was there studying, and it was just a vibe. Like it was so cute. It was relaxing. I definitely will be back. That was my first time visiting, and I will give it a 10 out of 10. So y'all see that wood area back there? I'm not ready for that. So I turned around. I'll go back to the car. I'm at a mile 37. So I think that's good enough. 31 minutes. I've been walking. So I'm done. That was good. I feel good.